It is raining out there. Oh, I am so glad I'm in here. Oh, I'm so glad I finally made it to H&R Block and finally filed for my stimulus check after I had no time. I was taking care of my daughter for the last 4 years and couldn't get nobody to help me. But I finally made my way. Even though I couldn't get the one for 2020 because May 17th was deadline and here it is June, I am still able to get one of them, which I'm grateful for. And while I'm looking for a job, yeah, God always makes sure I got somewhere to go. Yeah. Truly, truly blessed and grateful that I ain't gotta be out in that rain today. Yeah. Look at it come down. And the wind blowing too. It's really, they be having like little tropical storms, little short. The wind is coming. If it's raining here in Houston, the wind is coming. You're gonna think you at the Bahamas, that tropical type. It's actually cold as fuck outside right now. I went outside when it was getting dark. I was like, I said, damn, the sun not coming out today. It's 10 something. I don't think the sun gonna make it out today. Beautiful, beautiful. I love this little view right here. These trees. Something nice to look at, you know. Yeah, look how the rain coming off the roof. The wind is ridiculous. And I got lightning coming out. Come on, man. I turned the heat on. I'm sitting, been freezing cold in this room for a week. Turning the air off and all shit. I don't know how to turn it. I put it up on 80. I'm trying to get it a hot Mexican 80 degrees in here. And in Mexico 80. Well, because, you know, usually it was 80 degrees in Mexico where I was staying at. But in Mexico, 80-degree weather around here, please. I'm not trying to feel that cold. I wanted to stand outside today and just, you know, enjoy the scenery. But I didn't have to do it from the window. Yeah. Trying to see, can you see it? Yeah. I hate it for anybody that gotta be out here in this, man. It does not feel good out there today. Oof. It's still kind of early. It's only 10:38. But yeah. Let's get a little weather update. It is coming down out there. And I can't complain because I'm in here, but I'm grateful. That's how grateful I am, because I know it could have been that I was still sleeping on the bus stop. But I'm truly grateful. And I got somewhere I can get out the rain and stuff. That's the main thing. I really don't mind being outside, because like if I don't sleep, then it don't. Oh, he out there running. If I don't sleep, it's no different if you stay up and you like actually doing something. You stay up and you're not doing nothing. It don't make a difference to me if I sleep. But the rain. Anyway, I'm gonna go to sleep. If I do get sleepy, I'm gonna go to sleep wherever I'm at. Anyway, I don't care what the situation is. If I have to lay my head down on a little table somewhere, I'm going to sleep. That's not gonna stop me where I'm at. But I don't have to worry about that, because I'm grateful that I was able to walk yesterday I was looking for to get my ID and stuff so I could go to work and get my other papers and stuff. And I did a little something got done. And man, I was just grateful that I could walk from one end of the city to the next without having to catch my breath. I having to stop and rest. And I'm just, things like that get me so emotional, knowing all the things that I overcome, and I'm still okay, and I'm still going, and I'm just trying to take care of my business at all times. And yeah. But yeah, I wasn't even upset that I walked that far. And it wasn't really, I walked all the way to this one building where they said I could get my social security card, because my backpack got stolen in Mexico when I was coming back. And I had my social security card, so I was going to try to go ahead and get another one. And one of the closest buildings that the people gave me an address to, it wasn't even to that building. But I walked there, all the way there for nothing. I had nothing. I literally had no other reason to walk that far down that way. But except I was glad, because it was a beautiful little, like sightseeing and things like that, and I get familiar with the area, so now I know to go back where some of the other buildings are for, like government type buildings, things like that. So I know where that is that I go to. But yeah. And then I did get a couple of things accomplished with. And I enjoyed the little walk. But hope everybody be safe out there. The weather is crazy. That's why I told myself I'm trying to come back so I can try to do magic to get all these tornadoes to stop. Because I was like, it seemed like every time I went to Mexico, in the United States, getting hit with tornadoes. And I'm like, maybe I need to go back. So I only been here a few weeks. So please, give me a couple months. Give me some time. I'm doing okay. And I don't know. But it's been raining a lot. Just these few weeks I've been here. So, but yeah. Hopefully it starts soon.